Hello guys, today I'm going to find some toys. Let's see. Wow, this is our collecting basket. Let's go search some new toys. Look at these. Maybe here we can find toys. Let's see what we get here. Wow, fantastic. It's a truck. A dump truck. Let's search for the next vehicle. Maybe here we can find another one. Wow, here it is. It's a mixer truck, a big mixer truck. It's so fantastic. Let's go. I'm looking for the next vehicle. Look, wow, maybe there's something. See, wow, yes, here it's a nice ruler, a construction vehicle. Superb. Let's see where we find the next one. Maybe here. Yes, let's see. Something is seen. Wow, fantastic. It's a bulldozer. A fantastic bulldozer. See, it's so beautiful. Guys, let's search for the next vehicle. Maybe we can find something here. Maybe a big one. Let's dig the soil. What we get? Wow, it's a bulldozer too. It's a kind of bulldozer. Fantastic. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.